Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're talking about the best things to buy with Discord orbs. So if you've been stacking up those orbs from the quests and wondering what's actually worth spending them on, this one is for you. So let's jump right in. The first thing, and probably the best thing you can buy with orbs, is nitro credits. These gives you temporary benefits, things like better streaming quality, custom emojis, and higher upload limits, without needing a paid subscription. You'll find these Nitro credits inside the Orb exclusive section of the Discord shop. You'll find next up we've got exclusive profile cosmetics. These are super limited items that you can only get with orbs, not with regular currency. They include things like unique profile badges, animated after effects, and special decorations that make your profile stand out from everyone else's. And finally, you can also spend your orbs on regular profile cosmetics, stuff like avatar decoration, profile effects, and nameplates that appear in the main shop. Just look for items that have the orb symbol. This one, that one, stuff like because this means that they can be bought using your orbs instead of real money. So if you want to get the most out of your orbs, go for nitro credits and exclusive cosmetics first. Those give you the biggest bang for your buck and the coolest upgrades. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!